Honorable Farah Maalim and other leaders of Northern Kenya, please stop asking the likes of George Natembeya some funny questions. Instead, you should be asking what's happening in your counties. Honorable Farah Maalim, you are a member of parliament for Dadaab, and this is what your MCAs have been doing behind the scene. So on 23rd September to 4th of October 2024, 5 MCAs from Garissa County Assembly traveled to Dubai for a seminar titled The Role of Legislature in Influencing Government Policy. Now walikula 3.8 million Kenya shillings hapo. Very nice. Going ahead from 25th to 28th September 2023, they went for a national conference on social science. Ikifanyika wapi? England, United Kingdom. 3 people, members of county assembly and the members of the executive, and they spent 2 million Kenya shillings. Very nice. That is Garissa. We come to my very good county of Marsabit. So on 22nd of September 2024, one member of the county executive went to the 79 United Nations General Assembly. Apparently he ni diplomat, naona tuko na Kofi Annan hapa ama Ban Ki-moon. And he spent 1.1 million for one person, only for a one-day event. Kuna wengine walienda Global Cooperative Conference, ilikuwa inafanyika New Delhi, India. Watu 3 walienda Marsabit County Government. 3 people walikula 2.1 million. Nakuambia pesa iko Northern Kenya, acha tu. On 3rd to 5th of December 2024, kuna mtu mmoja alienda International Democrats Union Forum in Washington, DC, America. Akakula hapo 500,000. Alafu kuna mtu alienda November 11, National Climate Change Forum, Baku, Azerbaijan. Hakuna mtu ametajwa hapo, wamemeza 1.8 million Kenya shillings. Ndugu zetu wa gari. 24 to 30th June 2024. MCAs wenu watu 4 actually, MCAs and members of the county executive, walienda training inaitwa Training on Legislative Procedures. Hii kitu ni very funny. Walienda wapi? Walienda Dubai, 4 of them. 3 million imemezwa Kenya shillings. Same date, another county committee on finance and budgeting, 4 of them walienda training ya budget training. Yani wewe uko kwa budget committee na unaenda budget training. Very nice. Walimeza 3.7 million Kenya shillings. And then from 4th to 11th October, kuna watu walienda United Nations Simulation, yani kuiga, Simulation Conference on Crafting Future Leaders. Governor Kali, usimuko na mchezo bwana. National Conference on Simulating Future Leaders, kizungu tupu. Walienda one person apparently. Alienda mali naitwa Istanbul, Turkey. 522,000 Kenya shillings imemezwa hapo. Alafu nakuja kuniambia hapa Kikuyu ndo shida zetu. You come and tell me Kalenjin is our problem, or marginalization, or devolution haifanyi kazi. Dear people of Northern Kenya, if you could read these budgets na muone vile pesa zenu zinaibiwa, you will run crazy. Meanwhile, Honorable Farah Maalim and other members of parliament from Northern Kenya, please stop focusing on what the likes of Natembeyas are doing. While our own leaders are busy stealing from us, nyinyi mko hapa mko focus na what's happening in other counties. At least with Trans Nzoia they have kina Chesangu are doing accountability, Nairobi kina Babu Owino. This is the reality. Mwende msome hii report. People are busy going to Dubai wakinunuliwa abaya, wakinunuliwa expensive shoes, wakinunuliwa Range Rover, while our members of parliament can never raise these kind of questions in the August House. Tutafakari hayo.